Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Niveen Amin. I'm going to speak today about the Coinbase. What is this application, how we can use it to exchange our cryptocurrency. So please follow up my video till the end to know more about this application. Don't forget to subscribe my video and please comment in the comments with subscribe to follow up with the comments. Coinbase. Let's have a little view about Coinbase. Coinbase is an application that lets you buy and sell all sorts of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and about 50 other currencies. You can also use Coinbase to convert one cryptocurrency to another and to send and receive cryptocurrency to and from other people. Like stock trading applications you may already be familiar with, Coinbase shows you the current price and trends for cryptocurrencies, a look at your portfolio of holdings, and news stories about the industry. How to use Coinbase and how to get started with Coinbase. As similar to any application, Coinbase is easy to set up but requires some information, including your legal name, home address, date of birth, last 4 digits of your social security number, and how you plan to use Coinbase. This is to comply with federal regulations. Here is how to begin. Download the Coinbase application for iPhone or Android. Open Coinbase and tap Get Started. Create an account with your email address and tap Start. Verify your email by tapping a link that can send to your inbox. Then enter your phone number and verify it by entering a code that was texted to you. Enter in your name, date of birth, and last 4 digits of your social security number. Note, you need to be at least 18 years old to use it. Enter your address. Choose how you will use Coinbase, either for investing, online payments, online purchases, or for investing in other exchange. Confirm your source of income. Tap Let's Go. Now you will start to link your bank account. Search for your bank. Log into your bank account with the username and password you normally use for banking. Then select the bank account you want to link to Coinbase for purchase and then tap Continue. That's it. You will be dropped off on the main page of Coinbase now, where you can get starting purchasing and buying cryptocurrencies. How to buy cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. Now I will show you how to buy some cryptocurrencies. Let's purchase a fraction of a Bitcoin, since that's the one you have probably heard of most, but this process is the same for all the currencies offered on the Coinbase platform. Tap Get Started on the top of the screen. You will see a list of crypto assets you can buy. Select Bitcoin at the top. Choose how much you want to purchase. Remember, you can buy fractions of cryptocurrency, so you can spend about $5 on roughly 0.0006204 Bitcoin, as it is about $64 price, or however much you want. The minimum order is about $1.99. Tap Preview Buy. Review the order. Notice Coinbase takes a percentage of the purchase. So if you are aiming to buy $5, so it will take about 99-cent cut of the transaction. If you are buying about $500 worth of Bitcoin, it will charge about $7.34. Choose Buy Now. That's it. You can trade your Bitcoin instantly after you buy it, but you will need to wait 8 days before you send it to someone. How to sell cryptocurrency on Coinbase. Now let's say you are ready to sell your crypto assets. Here is what you do. Tap the blue circle icon on the main page. It shows the 2 arrows. Choose Sell. Select the asset you want to sell. In this case, you will pick Bitcoin. Choose how much you want to sell, or tap the max button on the left of the page to sell it all. Review the page again. Note the Coinbase fees. Tap Sell Now. How to draw money from Coinbase. Maybe you are ready to take some profits off the table. You will sold your crypto, but now you want to move it back to your bank account. Note that if you have purchased or sold funds, you may still have a withdrawal based limit. something I just purchased and sold this morning for the sake of this guide can't be sold for 8 days, for example. Once that time has spent, here is what you do. From the home page, tap your portfolio balance. On the top of the screen, choose the US dollar option. If you have sold some crypto, then should have a value other than $0. Tap withdraw, choose preview, withdraw, and then select your bank account. Then do the transfer. It takes 1 or 3 business days. You can also optimize to add a debit card for an instant transfer for a small fee. That's it. You have learned how to set a Coinbase and use it to buy and sell cryptocurrency and even withdraw your profit from your bank. So I hope you liked my video. Please follow up my videos and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the subscribe button to receive more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.